so this video I'm going to talk about the color of the year 2024 Pantone color. It's called Peach Fuzz 131023. Alright, so this is the color code, and I'm going to show you the hex color code for this one. So on Photoshop, you can click on the color up here. You can double click on the color, and this is the code that you need to type in. So it's called FFBE98, and I'm going to add it to the screen now. So FFBE98, and let's do it. So I'm going to go to the text tool. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to type that in. So FFBE98, and I'm going to resize this. So let me resize it. Alright, so this is the color code. So FFBE98. So this is the Pantone color for 2024. Alright, so this is what they have selected. And I'm going to show you how to save this color. So you see I have saved it already here as I named it Pantone 2024. I'll show you how to save it in the swatches. So you'll have to click on Window up here and make sure that you click on Swatches, and from here you are going to click on this new folder. Alright, I'm going to get rid of the old folder, so I'm going to click on this bin. Alright, so now I'm going to click on this new folder to make a new group. I'm going to name it Pantone 2024. Alright, so Pantone 2024. And now I'm going to click on this plus next to it. And right here, I can basically, you can name it anything you want, right? So you can add a name here. But I'm going to add the color code basically there. I'm going to click on OK. And you'll notice that it's going to be added there. So we have added that color there because we have already selected it. I mean, you see we have selected that color. If you want to add another color to it, we can choose another color and click on the new. So you see you'll have to make sure that you enter the code here. All right, so you enter FFBE98 and then you click on OK, and from here you are going to click on the plus here to add it to your swatches. So now whenever you want to reuse this Pantone color, you are going to basically drag and drop the color. So let me add a shape here. So I'm going to add a new layer, and I'm going to add a shape here, a basic shape. So now let's say that I want to fill this box with that Pantone color. So I can basically drag and drop it. So drag and drop it. Boom. There you go. You have applied the Pantone color 2024. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, everyone.